tenses: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous tense. And before this class, I taught you about used to, and today we're going to learn about continuous tenses. And at the very beginning, we have present continuous tense. The work which is continuous in the present time, we call it present continuous tense. And here is a model sentence. Try to understand. I'm seeking job, and the meaning is also given. मैं नौकरी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. So here at the ending of Urdu sentences, raha hoon. So you can fully understand that the work of seeking job is continuous. And there are three helping verbs in this tense is am and are. And here you are taught that यहाँ आपको ये भी बताया जाता है कि is हम he, she, it and singular के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और am को हम I के साथ यूज करते हैं, और are को हम we, you, they and plural के साथ यूज करते हैं. So these are the rules. अगर आप जो है am को he, she, it and singular के साथ यूज करेंगे like he, am, she, am, तो आपके sentences गलत हो जाएंगे. So your all sentences, whatever you will make, they will be wrong. Okay. So here are the rules. Means am will always be used with I. You can't use it with he, she, it or in singular sentences. Or you can't use are with the he, she, it, or you can't use is with I or we, you, they and plurals. Means जो जैसे रूल आपको बताए जाते हैं present continuous में आपने उनको वैसे ही follow करना है. So at the ending of Urdu sentences we have रहे हैं, रहा हूँ, रही है. First form plus ing. So first form plus ing हम कैसे बनाते हैं? जैसे go है, go में हम ing लगाएंगे तो going बनेगा. Learn है, learn में ing लगाएंगे तो learning होगा. Eat है तो eat में ing लगाएंगे तो eating होगा. Okay, so I hope you understanding. Formation of the positive sentences will have subject, helping verb plus fourth form of the verb plus object. As I have told you that first form plus ing is called the fourth form of the verb. So here are other example sentences. I'm working now, which means मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ. So मेरा जो काम करने का सिलसिला है वो जारी है. मतलब मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ, हमें पता नहीं है कि वो काम कब तक खत्म होना है. मतलब के काम अब तक जारी है. We're laughing at you, हम आप पर हंस रहे हैं. You're speaking English, आप English बोल रहे हो. She's waiting, वो इंतजार कर रही है. So I hope you understand. So in negative sentences, you don't need to do anything. You'll just have to have not. Negative में सिर्फ आपने जो helping verb के साथ not लगाना है, बाकी sentence आपका same रहेगा. They are not abiding time. अगर हम not को निकाल दें, remove कर दें, तो sentence बनता है they are abiding time. Not लगाएंगे, so they are not abiding time. So this is only the difference. And then in interrogative sentences जो हमारे helping verbs होते हैं is, am and are, उनको हम starting में use करते हैं. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस जुमले में हमने is जो helping verb है वो हमने starting में use किया है. Is father scolding her? क्या अब्बू उसे डांट रहा है? So I hope you have understood present continuous tense. Thank you very much.